Hello guys, today we are going to see the code for computer vision based text scanner, and for that we are going to use perspective transformation in openCV. Firstly, what is perspective transformation? So in perspective transformation we can change the perspective of a given image for getting better insights about the required information. In perspective transformation, we will provide the points on the image from which we want to gather information by changing the perspectives. We also need to provide the points inside which we want to display our image. Then we get the perspective transform from the two given sets of points and wrap it with the original image. We'll understand once we go with the example. So here, once we have a 2D image, that is we need to have the front facing view. Then we'll do some image processing on it and then finally extract character from an image using tesseract library. The pipeline of this project mainly is, firstly we'll perspective transform the image and then image processing is done, and then OCR using tesseract. OCR is nothing but optical character recognition. So the libraries we need to install previously is openCV, tesseract and then numpy libraries we are going to use. So firstly I am importing CV2, that is openCV library, numpy library and then tesseract. So this is how we are going to do it. Now we'll read our sample image using openCV. For that I am using here image original equals to cv2.ambred and then I am going to give the image name. We'll first define the corner points of the box using matplot library for perspective transformation. So now we'll get the coordinates and then we are going to do. So for this we are going to define the endpoints of the image. For the source we are going to give the coordinates of quadrangle vertices in the source image, and for the destination we are going to give the coordinates of the corresponding quadrangle vertices in the destination image, which calculates a perspective transform from 4 pairs of the corresponding points by calculating 3 by 3 matrix operation. Now we are going to apply the perspective transformation here. So here we are going to calculate the perspective transformation by using CV2, that is openCV library, and then get perspective transform from point this is the source and this is the destination. So now we are going to apply this transformation, and then we are going to convert the image from BGR, that is BGR to RGB. We are going to convert it. As we are using openCV, its default color format is BGR. To convert it into RGB format, we use cv2.cvt color, the image original, and then we are going to say cv2.color BGR to RGB, or else RGB to BGR. So we are going to convert it in this way. So now and then we are going to convert this image and then for grayscaling we are going to do it, and then we are also smoothing the image by using Gaussian blur, and then we are going to smooth it, and then the thresholding is done using the CV2 library, that is threshold, and then we are going to convert it into the thresh binary, and then we are also using the caniate so that the image operation will be done perfectly. Now we are going to try to find the 4 points of the corner. For this we are going to sort it, and then we are going to counter array. Here I am using for an if loop to get the image properly in the rectangle. So I am iterating through the top 5 list to find the exact match. We are trying to find the coordinates or the points which we want. As we know, it's a rectangle. So here you can see, as we know, it's a rectangle with 4 points. Then we are going to say if length of approx equal to 4, then bounding rect and all this stuff we are going to do it so that we'll find the length of that. Now we are going to perform the OCR, that is optical character recognition. As we have found the region of interest, it has become more easier for reading the text now. So this function will read all the text from the transformed image, that is this one. So we are going to print tesseract dot image to string and then the image work, that is we are going to insert it here as image work, and then finally we were able to transform our image and able to extract significant text. So let's run it and see now. I'm going to run my code. So yeah, here we can see the image as John Smith, and then we can see the text is getting extracted here. The exact text which is here, it's getting text extracted here. So finally we learned how to transform and how to extract the image using computer vision. So this is a project about computer vision based text scanner. Thank you for watching, guys.